Hey guys, welcome back to Sharon's Poetry Corner. The poem I want to share today is called The Caged Bird, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I know why the caged bird sings. Beautiful poem. Yes, it's true. Written by my favorite poet, Maya Angelou. The caged bird, a symbol for the chained slave. He never got his freedom, but he took hope to his grave. I am not a slave. I have no chains on me, yet I am not problem free. I literally feel like a bird in a cage. I am beyond sad. I feel rage. Does the bird feel like me? Is that sadness or some kind of melody? I don't know why the caged bird sings, but I know why he cries. It is because he is dying inside. The caged bird is miserable and wants to be free. I recognize his pain because he resembles me. Set me free because I want to be one with the sky. Because under this bondage, I am going to die. I don't know why the caged bird sings, but I know why he cries. It is because he is dying inside. That bird is miserable and he wants to be free. I recognize his pain because he resembles me. How can a bird and a person be twins? It is because our cries are the same. We identify from within. But the bird wants to know, why do I cry? I can run. I can escape. So I explain my human pain. I can run. I can escape. But different location doesn't make your life great. People only soar when they rise above their pain. You can change location, but the problems remain. As I was explaining, it suddenly hit me. I'm not in a literal cage. I can be free. The dying flame ignited in me. Light at the end of the tunnel is waiting for me. It's time to load on my saddle, because one by one, I will battle my problems and knock them out with the punch of determination. I will float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. I am taking back my life. It's the only way I'll be free.